Are you using castor oil the right way? This ancient remedy has the power to transform your skin, hair, and overall health, but only if you avoid some common mistakes. Today, I'm going to reveal the top castor oil application mistakes that could be sabotaging your results. Stick around until the end, because I've got a bonus tip that can make all the difference in your castor oil routine. Castor oil has been used for centuries, celebrated for its natural healing properties. From promoting hair growth to soothing dry skin, the benefits are endless. But here's the thing. Using castor oil isn't as straightforward as it seems. Many people unknowingly make mistakes that prevent them from reaping its full benefits. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common castor oil application mistakes and how to avoid them, so you can get the most out of this powerful natural remedy. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong type of castor oil. Not all castor oils are created equal. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using the wrong type of castor oil. You might see labels like cold-pressed, hexane-free, or Jamaican black castor oil. What's the difference? Cold-pressed castor oil is extracted without heat, preserving its nutrients, while Jamaican black castor oil is roasted and contains ash, giving it a darker color and different properties. Hexane-free castor oil, on the other hand, avoids using harsh chemicals in the extraction process. Depending on your needs, whether it's for hair growth, skin care, or even internal use, choosing the right type is crucial. Always choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil for maximum purity and effectiveness. If you're looking for hair growth, especially for thicker hair, Jamaican black castor oil might be your best bet. Mistake number 2, applying too much or too little. Another common mistake is either over-applying or under-applying castor oil. It's easy to think that more is better, but castor oil is a very thick, concentrated oil. Applying too much can lead to clogged pores, greasy hair, or even irritation. On the flip side, using too little won't give you the results you're looking for. A little goes a long way with castor oil. For hair, use just a few drops, especially if you're applying it directly to your scalp. For skin, 1 or 2 drops per area are usually enough. If you're unsure, start with a small amount and add more if needed. Mistake number 3, not diluting castor oil. Castor oil is incredibly potent, which can be both a blessing and a curse. Some people skip the dilution step and apply it directly, which can cause skin irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. Always dilute castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or almond oil before applying it to your skin or scalp. A good ratio is 1 part castor oil to 2 parts carrier oil. This not only reduces the risk of irritation, but also makes the oil easier to spread. Mistake number 4, not performing a patch test. Even natural products like castor oil can cause allergic reactions or irritation. One of the most overlooked steps is the patch test. Skipping this step could lead to unwanted side effects. Before applying castor oil to large areas of your skin or scalp, perform a patch test. Apply a small amount of diluted castor oil to an inconspicuous area like the inside of your elbow. Wait 24 hours to see if there's any redness, itching, or irritation. If there's no reaction, you're good to go. Mistake number 5, leaving castor oil on for too long. Castor oil works wonders, but it's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Leaving it on your skin or hair for too long can cause more harm than good, such as clogged pores or greasy buildup. For hair treatments, leave castor oil on for no more than 2 hours. For skin, 15 to 20 minutes is usually sufficient unless you're targeting a specific issue like scars or stretch marks, in which case you can leave it on overnight, but no more than that. Always follow up with a thorough rinse or cleanse. Mistake number 6, ignoring your skin or hair type. Castor oil is versatile, but that doesn't mean it's a one-size-fits-all solution. Your skin or hair type plays a big role in how castor oil should be used. For instance, if you have oily skin, applying undiluted castor oil might lead to breakouts. Tailor your castor oil application to your specific needs. For dry skin or hair, you might use a higher concentration of castor oil. For oily or acne-prone skin, stick to a well-diluted mixture and use it sparingly. Mistake number 7, using castor oil on broken skin or wounds. While castor oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, applying it to open wounds or broken skin can trap bacteria and delay healing. Avoid applying castor oil directly to cuts, open wounds, or severe burns. Instead, wait until the skin has healed before using it to reduce scars or promote further healing. Mistake number 8, not massaging it in properly. Application technique matters. Simply slapping on castor oil and leaving it won't yield the best results. Properly massaging it into your skin or scalp can enhance its effectiveness. Take the time to gently massage castor oil into your skin or scalp using circular motions. This helps improve circulation, allows the oil to penetrate deeper, and enhances its benefits. For hair, focus on massaging the scalp to stimulate hair follicles. Mistake number 9, overlooking regular maintenance. Castor oil is powerful, but it's not a magic overnight fix. Many people get discouraged when they don't see immediate results and either give up or over-apply. Consistency is key. Incorporate castor oil into your routine regularly, whether it's weekly hair treatments or daily skincare applications. Be patient, and remember that natural remedies often take time to show results. Mistake number 10, storing castor oil incorrectly. Believe it or not, how you store your castor oil can impact its effectiveness. Exposure to heat, light, or air can cause it to degrade over time. Store your castor oil in a cool, dark place, ideally in a glass bottle with a tight-fitting lid. This helps preserve its potency and extends its shelf life. If you notice any changes in smell or consistency, it might be time to replace it. Bonus tip: how to supercharge your castor oil routine. You've stuck around, and here's the bonus tip as promised. Want to supercharge your castor oil routine? Try adding a few drops of essential oils like rosemary for hair growth or tea tree for acne. These oils can enhance the benefits of castor oil and address specific issues more effectively. Just be sure to patch test the mixture first to avoid any adverse reactions.